And today we are building a super cool project which is hand casted in real time. So first of all, you create a new files as ai.python file. Open your terminal and install the libraries. Pip install OpenCV, Python and MediaPipe. I have already installed that. So this installation is OpenCV for capturing video and MediaPipe for hand casted tracking. Okay, I have already installed it and few downloading updates. Alright, even to the code. So now let's be importing your libraries, CV2 and MediaPipe. Then now let's set up MediaPipe hand tracking module and drawing to create MP hands variable for solutions of hands and then drawing for driving hands digits. MP hand give us hand tracking module for MediaPipe and MP drawing will give us draw the detect hand landmark onto our video effect. Then we create now it's time to webcam with OpenCV. We create a main setup for detecting hands. This loop we are creating hand object with detection and tracking confidence levels. Minimum detection confidence 0.7 means the model needs to be 70% sure that there is hand before making it. This reduces the random false detection. So here the part where we process each frame coming from our webcam. Create a loop, then return the frames and capture the. This while loop runs continuously until we stop it. Cap.read reads each frame. If it's failed capture frame, then return will be false, and the loop stop. Then we will flip the frame horizontal and convert into RGB format. CV2 flip frame 1 creates a mirror effect which makes the video easier to follow. The RGB conservation is need to because MediaPipe expert the frame in RGB format. Now we use MediaPipe to find hand landmark in this frame. This hand.process function look for hand landmark in our frame and stores them in result. Now if it find a hand, it will return the landmark for each detected hand. So we create this part checks result that multi-hands landmark exist, which means hands are detected. Then we use a loop to draw landmark for each detected hand using mp drawing.draw landmark. So now let's add a little bonus detection, a pinch gesture where you touch your thumb and index finger. It's simple but fun. Here we grab the thumb and index fingertips position and measure their distance. If they are close enough, we point pinch detection on the screen. Simple trick but pretty cool, right? This is optional and not to be ready for that. Then after that, they show the index tip. So here the finally let's display the video feeds with all the drawn hand landmark. As the CV2 show the frames and parsing Q on the keyboards closing the window. When the user press key Q, then all of the loops will be break and hence at the last they stop the video capture and close the display as destroy all window. Then after that we check the missing value. What's the missing value? Declare, not declare. I thought it was error on MP hand, just not clear S on hands. Okay, just clear and then we run the code. After all of that, run the code. This error is there. We will to be minimum detection. Correct them and after run again. So here the code runs successfully. This take some few times after reloading. So there you have it, real time hand gesture recognition in under 5 minutes. Hope you enjoy this project, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.